Hello, I'm Kevin from Three Beards. I'm head of technology at Three Beards, and I'm here today to talk to you about Unicorn Hunt. So Unicorn Hunt is Three Beards' new job board. We aim to provide the best solution to find tech and startup talent in London. So we've been redesigning this website with the help of an awesome friend of us called Steph Lewandowski. And we wanted to have a very uncluttered, very clean design. So you will never see any ads on Unicorn Hunt. That's not something we do. We just want you to focus on jobs here. One other thing which is really important, we do not allow anonymous job posting. We do not want recruiters just to use the platform to put like fake adverts just to attract people. So that's very important for people who work in the startup community, just to be able to talk to their future employer, because we're not talking about, applicants are not just sets of skills, they are actual people with personalities, and they want to work in a company that have a culture that suits them. Right, so now I'm going to show you how we can post a job offer on Unicorn Hunt. It's very straightforward. So if you go to post a job, you're going to have to create an account quickly. So now we're logged in, so we're going to we're going to post a job. It's very straightforward. Your company domain name, that's your website. So we're going to post a job for Unicorn Hunt because we would like someone awesome to help us. That's not true, but just for this example. Very important to put your Twitter handle. I'll show you later why. Unicorn Hunt IO. So the role, we're looking for an awesome Ruby developer to work on, let's say, taking our Rails app to the next level. Where in the world? That would be London. We're currently London focused, but we sort of hope that later we can reach further. So yeah, that's a full-time position now. Ruby developer is a back-end developer role, so that could fall into full-stack developer category as well. But I don't want to put it in too many categories because that's a bit misleading. Tags, we put Ruby, Rails, say back-end, and maybe development. Salary could be anywhere between 30, 35 grand. You can add like a mention, just to like a little note to say optional info about the salary. You could embed a video, and I'll show you in a bit how it will look on your page. Do a little bit of formatting. This is just dummy text. One thing I might just mention is people in the startup community might really like to see perks and benefits that the job might give them. Now for applications, we do have like built-in application process. It's very simple and straightforward, but you might be using like a third-party platform like Workable or something like that. So you can still use that and put like a third-party URL in this field, and that would just take them straight to this system. And also, you can add an extra email if you're using the built-in system. Then they will you will get emails from applicants, and you can add another email. So I would want Vicky to know about someone who applies for us. So I'm going to put her email. And this is to schedule your ad if you want to, but we want to see it live now. So 16th of June is perfect, and I do accept the terms. Right, now we get to preview our job offer. So that's all correct. I'm happy with everything. So you can either publish it or continue editing if you want to change a few things. Now, this is an interesting bit. We wanted to try something new with the pricing. So what we're doing here is we're giving like a standard price, which is £200, but we're giving the option to early stage startups. So say like you're just one person, you have like I don't know, typically you would be like a business person and you have an idea, an awesome idea, no one else has this idea, and you've got your business plan and you're looking for that technical co-founder that you can't find, and you have absolutely nothing to offer them except then maybe equity. So in this case, you can actually apply a discount, like a 100% discount, and you're not going to pay anything for your job offer. But yeah, this works on like an honesty basis. So we just assume that if you have funding, that you're going to pay for your job offer. That would be only fair. So pay nothing, and here we are. This is our live job. So you get this with like a fancy background that always generates different colors. So now I'm just looking at it. it's here. It's also on the front page, listed at the top. Now with this list on the front page, it's quite interesting the way it works. So if you actually pay for a featured job, it's going to be ranking higher, not only because it's featured. So, well, first of all, it's featured, so it's going to be highlighted in color, like background color like that. But also it's going to be ranking higher. The more you pay for your job post, the higher it ranks. And also, the more you share your blog post, your job offer, on social media or like any visits that the page gets, any session that the page gets, it's going to increase the rank on this homepage. So that's quite an interesting thing, just to encourage people to share their job offer. But now I'm not really happy about working on taking our Rails app to the next level, because who is our? It's not necessarily obvious. So I'm going to rephrase it. So I'm going to just edit this job. And we could say something like, I don't know, helping unicorns find they are stable. Cool. To keep it within the theme. So here we are. It's all updated. So now we have something quite interesting as well, which is on Twitter. Every time someone posts a job offer, we automatically schedule a few tweets with a quirky sort of template. So we add like loads of emojis and like something like free beer, full stack developer at Super London. I don't know if Super London is here, but I've just said that for them, so they must be really chuffed. So yeah, here it is. Thank you very much.